Hello, in this video we're going to perform a zoom test on OPPO Find X9 Pro and OPPO Find X9. Okay, so Pro is on my left side, normal X9 is on my right side. I'll show you the photos that I have taken in a second. I will use PC for that. I will launch the Google Photos, so you'll be able to see those pictures with good quality. When it comes to the cameras itself and the zoom level, both devices have the same max zoom level, and it's 120x, as you can see. So that's the maximum zoom level on both devices. When it comes to other differences, when it comes to the cameras, the Pro version has better front camera, 50 megapixels, while normal X9 has 32. And when it comes to the rear camera, Pro version supports a 200 megapixel mode in high resolution. In here, actually, it's called the ultra clear. On normal X9, it's called high res. Both devices support 4K motion photo. And on the Pro version, in here we have that 200 megapixel mode, but if you want to use it, the only possible zoom level is 3x. Okay, now I will launch the Google Photos just like I have said, and I'll show you the quality of the pictures on different zoom levels. Okay, on the left side we have photos taken on the Pro, on the right side on the normal X9. Okay, that's the 0.6x zoom. So we can take a look. I will zoom out maximally. Now I will zoom in a little into that trampoline that we had on the photo, so you can compare the quality for yourself. Now the 1x zoom. Also, I will tell you that when it comes to normal zoom levels, I mean like up to 20x, it's going to look really similar to each other. That's the 1x zoom level. I will zoom in a little so you can see the quality on both devices. Once again, the Pro is on the left side. All the photos that I'm showing on the left side of the screen are the photos taken on the Pro. Okay, now the 2x zoom. Of course, I was taking the pictures in the same place, with the same distance to the object. All right, now the 3x. You can see that they look really similar. Let's zoom into that leaves for a little. We can see a beautiful shape of them on both devices. That's the 5x, yep. Okay. That's 6x zoom level. In here we have a little difference when it comes to the light, because when I was taking a photo using the Pro version, the sun was setting, and in here you can see that this tree is much brighter than on the right side. But as you zoom in, you can still see beautiful details. All right, now I will zoom in on the right side. Also, really good quality. Okay, and now the biggest difference. Now for that photo and that photo, I was using 55x zoom. It's really high zoom level. And in here we can see the biggest difference. On the Pro version, that head that is coming through the wall is much sharper and with better quality than on normal X9. It's really clear to see the difference. Also, when it comes to the shape, for example, as we take a look on the nose, we can see the shape, and as we take a look on the X9, it looks simply much worse. Also, as we take a look on the top of the head and the quality, we have higher resolution on Pro version. So that's the biggest difference when it comes to that. But remember that is really high zoom level. 55 is really big deal. Okay, and the last photo that I have taken using the higher zoom level, it's the 20x zoom, but in here both photos look also really good and with similar quality. I will zoom in, for example, into that tree and that branch. Maybe also a little bit to the top. So you can see for yourself how it presents. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.